In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate some key features within DaVinci Resolve, which is a popular video editing software that's well loved for its powerful capabilities and versatile tools. Whether you're a seasoned editor or just starting, customizing keyboard shortcuts can significantly streamline your workflow, making the editing process more efficient and tailored to your personal preferences. Let's dive right in by opening DaVinci Resolve. If you're unfamiliar with DaVinci Resolve, it's a comprehensive editing suite that's used by professionals and hobbyists alike for its robust set of features. Once you've got the program open and ready to go, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll notice a tab labeled DaVinci Resolve. This tab is pivotal because it houses many of the software's essential menu options and submenus, offering access to a multitude of settings. Go ahead and click on the DaVinci Resolve tab. This will bring down a drop-down menu with a variety of choices. Today, our focus will be on customizing the keyboard shortcuts, a feature that allows you to adjust the software's controls to better fit your editing habits. Within this drop-down, find and click on Keyboard Customization. This option gives you the flexibility to tweak how you interact with DaVinci Resolve through your keyboard, potentially saving you time on repetitive tasks. Now you're in the domain of keyboard customization. It's here you'll notice a section called Commands. Under this section, locate Playback. Clicking Playback will unfold a new series of commands related to playing and navigating through your timeline. Pay close attention to this part as it directly impacts how you zip back and forth throughout your project. Within the Playback category, you'll see another intuitive option labeled Go To. By selecting this option, you'll notice several playback commands you can customize, including Timeline Start. This is particularly useful because it allows you to quickly return to the beginning of your timeline with just a simple keystroke, rather than manually dragging your cursor or using default shortcuts that might not be as intuitive for you. Simply click on Timeline Start and choose a new shortcut key that fits your needs. It could be anything you find convenient, perhaps a key that makes logical sense to you or is easy for you to reach quickly while editing. By personalizing this shortcut, you elevate your editing efficiency, allowing you to move more fluidly through your project with all the ease of a seasoned editor. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully adapted DaVinci Resolve to better suit your workflow, enabling a more personalized and time-efficient editing process. Remember, customizations like these take a moment to set up, but can save you substantial time in the long run. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.